Many of the AI weather forecasting models have not been calibrated for the kinds of tasks that are most relevant to the humans that are relying on these forecasts to make good decisions. We're building an open source platform, and this is going to allow people from, say, development banks or government agencies around the world get a sense of how well these different AI models work in the context of their specific human needs.
AI-driven revolution in weather forecasting can be translated into really a revolution in human-centered weather forecasting. If you talk to meteorologists in a lot of these countries, especially in Africa, they're so excited about using AI weather models. They can have their own weather forecast, which they never had before because their physics-based models are so expensive and so complicated. It's important to also get this right. We want to have meteorologists, people with econ expertise, with AI expertise in the loop. We have a unique team here that can work together to really close this gap.
These systems have not been deployed widely in the developing world, which are primarily in tropical areas. That's a problem for, say, farmers who want to be able to know when to plant their crops.
In tropical regions, you'd like to plant as early as possible in the rainy season, but if you plant too early, that can be financially disastrous. Exactly at the time when it's becoming more and more difficult for farmers to anticipate weather conditions with climate change, there's actually technology to help them plan for this and become more resilient.
But going beyond that, for example, providing early warning for heat waves or for tropical cyclones, for flooding, I think these things can all save lives.
There'll be potential environmental benefits from this as well. If you have good weather forecasts, you realize that there's a potentially hazardous pesticide, and you might realize we don't need to use it this year because the environmental conditions are such that that pest isn't coming. Benefit-cost ratio is easily 100 to 1.
Human-centered AI weather forecasts have the potential to save lives and boost prosperity by providing accurate, actionable information to millions in developing economies.
My role is to address the problem of how we take all those advances and deliver them to people in the developing world. A key challenge in this is scalability. We want to build systems that can scale not to thousands or hundreds of thousands, but to ultimately tens of millions of people.
The platform that we're developing is designed to make these tools much more widely accessible and therefore much more useful to a variety of different people.
We're excited about this work. We're fortunate to be seeing excitement from external parties as well. So we've got partnerships who want to contribute computational resources.
In early 2022, NVIDIA released a model called ForecastNet. And with this model, you can do weather forecasting that's as good as the best physics-based model, while the neural net was 100,000 times faster to run and tens of thousands of times more energy efficient. Basically, at this point, a state-of-the-art weather forecasting can be done on a laptop.
Now what we want to do is to take that power and that potential and make it useful for real human needs.
There's just a lot of interest from policymakers about this. It's very inexpensive on a per-farmer basis. So the government of India decided they were going to send monsoon onset forecasts, and they sent it to over 50 million farmers. Other countries are very interested in following this example.
The Laude Moonshot grant is really going to be transformative. It's allowing us to support trainees across computer science, economics, and geophysical sciences, and to tackle problems that have received relatively little attention in the past. With the Laude Foundation, we're able to target both the technical needs that are required to make this possible and to have an impact in areas where there's not a clear pathway to profit.
AI creates tremendous potential.
Here we see, I think, a clearly ethical use of AI. We have the potential to benefit hundreds of millions or even billions of people. And hopefully it will also encourage others to pursue similar approaches, because there are so many areas in which computational methods can be used to deliver high quality information that can be made broadly accessible, benefiting many people.
The Laude Moonshot funding is allowing us to go beyond having technology shaping what humans can do, and instead have the human needs shape our technologies.